Hi, perhaps you recognize me. It's your favorite president.
So you stayed up all night hoping to see your favorite president coast to landslide victory in the presidential election.
I also that I'm winning everywhere.
What do? You just can't depend on the news media to give you accurate information about anything anymore.
You have been brainwashed by the same liberal media that you claim to despise so much.
Then you wake up the next day feeling like you're hungover. Then you find out the winner has not even been decided, and yikes. Worst of all, it may be a tie.
Oh God.
Thanks be to God that our founding fathers had the foresight to hand down to today's generation of Americans an infallible remedy for just a problem such as this. The founding fathers had foreseen such a situation as a tie in the Electoral College. They laid out a plan to deal with such a revolting development in Article 2, Section 1, of the United States Constitution. In the event of a tie in the Electoral College, the House of Representatives votes on who the president will be. But here's the rub. Each state only gets one vote no matter how big the state is. Even though the Republicans do not have majority in the House at the moment, they still control 26 state delegations, so each state delegation gets one vote. 26 votes are needed for a win. However, it is not our current Congress, but the next one who decides this. So who wins the congressional races in the 2020 election is extremely important. Now that you know what happens when there is a tie in our presidential elections, please just sit there for a bit longer and watch President Trump dance.